students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is statement type question, where statement 1 is, if A is a symmetric as well as the skew-symmetric matrix, then A is a null matrix. And statement 2 is, A is a symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to A, and A is a skew-symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to minus A. So statement 2 is correct from the properties of symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. So if A is a symmetric matrix, then A transpose will be equals to A, and if A is the skew-symmetric matrix, then A transpose will be equals to minus A. So let's suppose a matrix A which is both symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Okay, so if A is both symmetric and skew-symmetric, basically what we are doing, we are checking the statement 1 if it is true or not. Statement 2 is true, we know from the properties of symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. So if A is both symmetric and skew-symmetric, means A transpose will be equals to A, correct? And it is skew-symmetric as well, means A transpose will also be equals to minus A, correct? So if both are correct, means A is equals to minus A, implies A is equals to minus A. So if we will take A on the other side, means 2 times A is equals to 0, implies A is equals to null matrix, So both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation from statement 1. From statement 2 only we derived that statement 1 is true. So our correct option will be option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.